Hello people, Bilal and Sar here, and today we're going to learn how to do a muscle up. Muscle up is an advanced calisthenic move which works on your entire upper body. It's a great way to build muscles and advance your training. When I first did the muscle up, I uploaded it on my Instagram, but a lot of people didn't know about muscle up back then. But now muscle up is literally trending everywhere. People now know what muscle up really is and how tough it is to execute it. It needs some serious practice to achieve it. Alright, so let's get started! So as we all know, to do a muscle up it requires strong muscles, so let's now focus on building strong muscles. Workout requirement. So before attempting muscle up, you must have requirements to do a muscle up. So you definitely need muscles to do a muscle up, but it's also a lot more about technique. So now let's jump onto the technique. Steps to muscle up. Hang from a pull-up bar with the most comfortable grip. With the help of your feet, swing forward with slightly curved body, with your stomach stretched outside, and it's better if you keep your feet closed. Master this swing with proper posture. After swinging forward, let the force swing you back. Use the force and add additional force by tugging your legs in or simply making an Lsit and doing a pull-up. Don't vertically try to pull yourself up. Make a C variation maintaining Lsit while doing a pull-up. After step 2, and create a force with your hip while slowly kicking your legs out. And pull the bar till your chest. And roll your chest over the bar as it transitions from a pull-up to a dip. Try to get your elbow up on the bar. Progression.
Alright guys, so this was it. Practice hard and soon you will be able to do a muscle up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe if you haven't, because my upcoming video is gonna be about biceps workout. Till then, keep smiling, keep working out, and I'll see you in my next video.